Ccent practice questions 2. This is a Python program. Source code will be posted and pinned to the top in the comment section. I'm going to hit F5 and start the program. Here we go. Question 1. Go to privileged exec mode. That's key in EN, hit enter. And that's correct. Question 2. Set privileged exec mode password to PEM. Enable password PEM. Hit enter, and that's correct also. Return to the user exec prompt. User exec mode prompt. There are two ways to do that. One of them is disable. And there it is. Disable is correct. Point 4. Test to see if enable password is encrypted. You can key in show run and see it that way. And that's correct. Which one is CIDR notation? A/24 or B 255.255.255.0? The answer is A/24. Point 6. And of course that's correct. Point 6. Tell the interface to stay up. Well, you can key in no shutdown or no shut. Hit enter. And that's correct also. Point 7. Set the secret password to SPEM. Secret privileged exec mode. Okay, that's good. So, enable secret SPEM. Hit enter. And that's correct. Point 8. Call a service that will encrypt all passwords. So that is service password dash encryption. And hit enter. And that too is correct. Question 9. Return to user exec mode prompt. Well, there were two ways to do it. I did disable last time. We could have also done exits. And there we go. 9 correct out of 9 equals 100%. This is George Bull. Good luck now.